how do we can insert an element in a specific location on a list. Okay, the first step, we create a list. We can call it numbers, and assign this list literal using the curly braces. We write 1 2 3 5 7. We can print the content of this list using the print statement. Execute this code and we get the actual content of that list. Great. Now we can insert an element in a specific location using the insert method. The insert method is a instance method of the list class. How do we can use it? It is easy. So from numbers list we called the insert function. We specify as first argument the location, the index that the new element will be located. So for example, if we want to insert the number 4 between 3 and 5, we first specify the location, in this case 3, and then the item 4. 3 is the index, 4 is the element to be inserted. Okay, now we execute this code, but first we print the actual content of the numbers list in this line number. We execute, okay, and we get this list. We can see the new content of that list, the number 4, exactly 1 2 3 4 5 7. Okay, and we can put the value, insert the value 6 in that list before the 7 item. We write numbers dot insert the location for the new element. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 5 is the location, and the item will be 5. And finally we show the content of that list using this print statement. Execute, and this is the final result, the list with content 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is great. That is the utility of the insert method of the list object. Bye.